I'm Sarah. We're here at C10s in the City. I am one half of C10s in the City, the other being my husband Rick. We brought this truck, my SQRBDY pink version. That's been under construction for almost 2 years. As of 2 days ago, it's finally done. We put all the last pieces on, hooks from Hooks Detailing, just ceramic coated it, which I think that the wheels turned out unbelievable. Like, these guys powder coated them, custom coaters. It was still, you know, like there's a little bit of texture because what we really wanted was chrome, but people don't do that anymore. He powder coated all inside, like the copper color, painted on the SQRBDY logo, and then Hook went through and ceramic coated them, and it took it to, in my opinion, like a whole new level. It's my actually favorite part of the truck. I feel like I got an experience that everybody else has also had, just working for years on something. We actually bought it from Phil Cato. It sat at his shop for a while. He said he would do the interior, which he did. The seat is super nice. His apprentice, who now has his own shop called Atlanta Stitch Works, did the inserts for us from the same leather. All right, so thank yous. I hope I don't forget anybody. The guys at AMD helped arrange from the Goys, and so we put a 5.7 drop on it. Mike Howe did that for us. The Detroit steel wheels are 20 by 11 in the back and 20 by 8 in the front, 3¼ inch backspace in the rear. All the trim, bumpers, bezels, dash bezel, interior pieces, all from AMD. The full build list will be up on the C10s in the City website. You know, a lot of the UBT guys worked on it too, like Wes and Jeremy, Mike obviously. So United by Trucks coordinated with Continental Tire and got us these. They're 315s, Continental Extreme Contact tires. We're in a very urban area, Decatur, Atlanta area, so we see a lot of C10s around the city, so we know that they're here. But when we go out to shows, we don't see those trucks. We're like, I've never seen that one before. I've never seen that one before, have you? And we're like, well, what if we try like a pop-up? We'll call it C10s in the City. It started 2021 in July. We did our first C10s in the City at Argosy in East Atlanta. So we had like 60 trucks show up, which was so exciting. We instantly outgrew it. Then we had to move here to Summerhill, and by had to, it was like our pleasure. Like, this area is so cool. There's, I think, 10 to 12 restaurants just 2 blocks away. We don't have any food trucks here. We just have a shuttle taking people back and forth, or they can walk 2 blocks. So we started off in a lower lot, moved up here because we got even bigger. This year we had over 500 registrations. It's all free. Being a cancer survivor myself, I just experienced how expensive it is. And you know, you get help with your medical stuff through insurance, or you know, hopefully you have insurance, but like, it's the little stuff. Household bills, groceries, gas. I'm okay, but I can only imagine women that aren't, you know? So this organization called the Pink Fund provides financial help to women like that. That's why we're here. The show's free. We have a big raffle, and all the money goes to the Pink Fund. Show-wise, you're going to see it at Southeastern Truck Nationals. You'll see it at C10 Nationals in Nashville. It's also in that area. All the Auto Metal Direct shows will be there. The No Regrets Toy Drive in December will be there. We will be at the Turkey Rod Run, for sure, because it's only 6 hours. But my little 305, I'm like, can I make it? Instagram, C10s in the City. People think that it's Rick, but it is me. Rick is SQRBDY, which you'll see it on there a lot too. United by Trucks. On the interwebs, catch it on the C10s in the City page and all the events that we'll be at this year and next.